We're here in the beautiful Boreal Forest, surrounded by Black Spruce trees. And this is our Black Spruce partner and our balsam fir partner, Jean-Claude. I would love for you to share with us the whole cycle that we have, the sustainability cycle behind the Black Spruce.
We don't cut trees, so there's already an industry who's cutting the tree for construction wood by the rule of the government, and the government makes sure it's sustainable. We take pile of branch that the logging industry doesn't want, and it's left in the forest as a pile, and the nature doesn't like it because it gives less space for the vegetation to grow. Everybody wins around because we take something nobody likes and we make nice product. On the time we receive the raw material to the site here, so we chip it, we put in the steel, and the way we work here with the power plant is that inside their building there's faucet we use as we need to get the steam to the steel.
The distillery is located adjacent to a local power plant. They create power by burning wood byproduct from the sustainable logging industry. This power plant creates the steam used in the distillation process for these oils. In exchange for the steam, the raw material after being distilled is then processed by the power plant, creating an entirely closed-loop cycle with net zero environmental impact.
So the 2 drops of oil help someone to relieve something.
Right.
And every 1.35 seconds, I'm helping someone.
He's gonna be so happy.
Yeah, I share that with my kids because they will be next generation to carry out, I hope, my business and make things even better for the world because we'll do just more and more of that.
Jean-Claude is our exclusive sourcing partner for both balsam fir and for Black Spruce. He always wanted to get out of the little town that he grew up in, which is in the middle of the Boreal Forest. So we went out and became an engineer and traveled all around the world. He built robotics equipment that they would use in surgery, all sorts of different devices. But he always had a desire to create healing in the world. And he was having a conversation with his father, trying to discover how he could create greater healing in the world. He turned to the forest and discovered the greatest healing that he could find right there in the forest. Would you like to meet Jean-Claude? Come on out, Jean-Claude. Share with you his passion for why he does what he does. You left your engineering career.
Yes, I did that for 20 years and I traveled the world. I see many things, many ways, and I said, maybe I should take that experience and bring back to hometown what I can do hometown. So with discussion, father, and things, and say, okay, there's a lot of Black Spruce around, so let's try to make great product with that.
And I was amazed at the distillery that you built.
Yes.
This is all your design.
Yes, yes. My engineering part, I would blend with the design. So I did a lot of research, make sure we can do the best thing and make it sustainable. Because I believe it's important to protect the forest, to protect the nature. So that's what I did. So I did design something very special.
And he's never content. You're a perfectionist. Always trying to improve the process.
Improve and make it better, more sustainable, and make sure everybody is winning in the process.
So as I was able to meet with Jean-Claude and Shibagamu, the mayor came, we had the general manager of the power plant there, the whole community was buzzing because you created so many jobs.
Yes.
And they are so excited about everything that you're doing.
Yes, yes. We really like a small community north of Quebec, and we help each other. I mean, whoever you're mayor, deputy, or worker, everybody get together to help one another. Common cause.
So I have to share a story. We had been in the forest. He was watching his watch. He said, Emily, it's getting close to time. We need to get you back to the airport. Like, oh, we just need to get a little bit more footage, right? Because I'm right there immersed in it. I didn't want to leave. And so by the time we finally got into the truck, we realized we were cutting it really close. So Jean-Claude is speeding through the forest.
Yes, hello.
Right? It's snowing. And we get to the airport, and just as we got there, the plane took off. So I missed my flight. But I had to be in Quebec City the next day to do a presentation for
Yes,
for
but
tour.
we wanted to keep you with us.
Right.
It's like, what to do?
So he offered, and there's no rental cars there.
Nothing.
There's no buses. And so he needed to stay with Brandon to finish the filming. So his father-in-law drove me through the forest 5.5 hours through the night, through the ice, through the snow, to get me to Quebec City so that I could be there to present the next
That's
day.
all we know.
That's the heart of this family. So we can please show Jean-Claude some love and show him how appreciative you are. So grateful.
Thank you.
Now I'm going to tell you all about the amazingness of Black Spruce. So can you guess which two oils we already have it in?
Balance and forgive.
Balance and forgive, right? Who loves these two oils? So first of all, we've got to talk about the emotional aspects of Black Spruce. So as you walk into the forest, of course you feel extremely grounded. You feel connected. I can get my slides to go. You feel connected, right? You feel uplifted. So let's talk about what's actually happening as we inhale this beautiful aroma. So one of the things is when we have emotional blocks. That's a big thing, right, for many of us, whether it's money blocks, whether it's worthiness blocks, whether it's just, I saw someone wearing a t-shirt and it said, I can't. I really can't. Like, well, she needs some Black Spruce, right? Yes, you can. It's all what you believe right here. And so when you have some of those issues, or maybe you're walking into a place that brings back negative memories, to be able to breathe in that Black Spruce, to let go of what happened in the past and move forward with who you really are intended to be. I love it for all of those reasons. So let's look at the chemistry of Black Spruce. It's very high in boreal acetate. So you have one other oil that is also high in boreal acetate, and that's Siberian fir. When we look at our other conifers, they have trace amounts of boreal acetate, but not nearly what Siberian fir or Black Spruce have. So when we look at the benefits of boreal acetate, one of the things is actually it brightens the skin. So it's going to inhibit the enzyme that causes melanin, which is the darkening of the skin. So what a wonderful way to use Black Spruce, to combine it with dōTERRA's brightening serum. So do a little Black Spruce, add on the brightening serum. What a wonderful combination there. Also, when we look at pregnancy, we have within where the placenta actually connects in with the uterus, there are immune cells there, and those immune cells are very, very important to maintain a healthy pregnancy. They have a lot of different functions throughout that pregnancy process. And so by applying Black Spruce to the abdomen, by inhaling it, it's a great way to help modulate immune balance at the maternal-fetal interface. So a great way to use it that way. It's also the second highest constituent in Black Spruce is alpha-pinene. When we look here, it's one of the most studied plant constituents. What other oils do you know are very high in alpha-pinene? Any guesses? We should definitely have guesses right here in these front rows. You should know. Any guesses? Frankincense, absolutely, as a monoterpene. The other one might surprise you, cypress. Those two oils are the highest in alpha-pinene. So we look at the benefits, very cell-protecting. Because it's a monoterpene, it's a very small molecular structure, which means it's going to be able to pass through that blood-brain barrier. That blood-brain barrier is intended to protect our brain from various pathogens, from things that could disrupt our brain cells, our neurons. So it's there to protect us. But because these monoterpenes are able to penetrate through, and because they're self-protecting, because they're self-renewing, we're actually able to do so much good from a cognitive function, from a memory recall function. Fantastic to be able to breathe that in, apply it on the brainstem. We also know with alpha-pinene, it's going to be really great for muscles, for joints. So apply it on the bottoms of the feet, on our aching muscles before or after strenuous exercise. Also to inhale it in, which instills confidence and the feeling that you can overcome whatever it is that you're dealing with, right? Let's get rid of those I just can't t-shirts. They're not allowed in dōTERRA. So how do you use it, right? Again, on the bottoms of the feet, on the joints for strenuous exercise. Apply on the abdomen to promote a healthy pregnancy. We're going to do spot treatments on the face, added in with the brightening serum. We're going to breathe it in to open up the lungs, open up the airways, and to instill feelings of courage, of self-confidence. And just a wonderful, wonderful way to use Black Spruce. I'm so excited for you to have this beautiful, amazing oil that smells delicious. So who's excited about Black Spruce?